How to add the gallery, images, and stories widget to the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, touch and hold. Next, go down and then tap on wallpaper and style. Then tap on the left-hand side panel here, which is the lock screen panel. At the top here, tap on the widget panel or add widgets. This will bring up a list of widgets. From here, we scroll down, then tap on gallery, and then tap on images and stories. Once you tap on it, it will be added to the widget panel. Tap on the start button here, and then choose allow all or allow limited access. Here, select an album or select images. So I will select an album, recent album, and then tap on done, and then tap on done. Now tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. If you press on the side button to go to your lock screen, here it will randomly select an image from the album to display on your lock screen here. Tapping on that will open up a full photo. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.